So it was my birthday recently, and I received this happy birthday puzzle box from iDventure. I'm going to solve it on camera, and there'll be spoilers. So let's get to it. Looks like these are numbers they can put on top of the box to personalize the gift. And there's instructions online, which we will not use. All right. So let's see. So this bottom part spins, and it looks like it will review the candles. So let's try and release these candles first, I guess. Are they all the same? Okay, this one looks like I should release this one. Let's try another one. That one's in really tight. Okay, I got one out. It says, has a picture of a microphone under there. Let's see if we can get this one out. Okay, this one comes out much easier. This one has a dancer. And this last one is a mouth. So maybe they each go in a different spot. This one says dance. I think this was the dancer. This one says, oh wait, this one looks like it says dance too. All right. Maybe I'll just put them all in. Nope, this one doesn't fit. Oh, they all have different widths at the base, so each one goes in a different location. Right, now there are 3 in. They'd spin. All right. This one was the microphone. Let's see. It's currently saying love, sing, smile, dance. So it's a microphone, so I think I want to make it say sing. And then this one was the, oh, this was the microphone. No, it wasn't. I'm all confused. This one was the smile. So let's put this one in and then make it say smile, shall we? Maybe that. And the last one was dance, so let's do that. Okay. Has that unlocked anything for us? And put these out for a second. Not quite sure what this would unlock. Oh, there we go. It's a Ravensburger keychain. Thank you, Yvonne.